Hey everyone, are you looking for a job and creating a resume now, but hate spending hours fix your resume layout? You want to focus on the resume content, but the format is a nightmare, right? Where I made an online tool that does the hard work for you. Let me show you how it works. First, click the link in the description below. This thermalmgt.com. On the website, just click the Tools and Resume Builder. You will open the Resume Builder here. The outlook of it looks like this. On the left, there is the editor. On the right is a preview of the resume. Let's introduce the how it works. First, here we can choose the template. Currently, it's provided two templates. One is two column, the other one is headband. We can change it so you can see the style change. And the other one is that the color we can change it black, blue, cream, right? Anyone as you like. Okay. Here is we can edit the content in the form or by the JSON file. You can see here, if I edit the JSON file, it will change the content. Or we can edit it in the form. So anything we can change it here, it will show on the preview area, such as basic information. You can see it changed here, right? The social, we can also edit the things such as the Facebook, right? Here is the icon. We can change the icon. Sorry, I put the link here. Click on the link. They use the icon from this website. You can search or click any icon you like. For example, I want to find a icon about map. Okay, I like this one. So copy the component link, click this one, and then paste on the form like yeah. Here you can see the icon change. Okay, that's the left of the uh, resume. The resume. You can also delete any of them. For example, I don't want to show the language. I can delete them. And also the right part, you can edit any information as you like works experience. I can also add more experience here. Title, subtitle, the company. Here is the title, start date, and the end date, right? That's the description. You can see it shows here. Okay. The others here is also another group that with actually they are the same, very similar as the above one, but they are just use a single date. That you can see it's just uh, the single date, no start or end date. So the difference you can see if we with the start and the end date, there is a vertical line between them. If there is just a single date, so there is no vertical line. Okay. Also, you can delete any items, groups, or add more items as you like. Okay, next you can edit the resume in the form format or by the JSON format. For example, I can edit any information here. You can see it's changed, right? Also, we can download the JSON to our computer and also can import the JSON file. If I wrongly edit the information and make the resume not correct, we can reset to default. Okay, and we can print the resume. It will save as the PDF file in your computer. Okay, and I want to highlight here all the information you edit or input here is on your web browser local storage. That all of the information are not transferred or stored to our web server. So it's security for you. Oh, I missed one thing. That's the picture. You can change the picture by click on it and click any picture on your computer. It will change. Okay. The other thing is that we can generate the resume with AI. For example, I have a Word file that creates my resume in my computer. I can click on the Word and add the description. Of course, you can without any description, but you can add more description. For example, I want to it's translate to English or Germany or Chinese. I want to translate to Chinese. Okay, and then click on the generate and import. Please remember, because it generates with the AI at the poor time, so it needs quite a long time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes to generate the whole content. Net visit. Okay. And if you have any comment or suggestion about the tools, please leave message under this video. Provide your comment. I will update it. And of course, you provided your resume date to the AI. It will not be stored on our website, but it will send to the AI to process your date or your information. Okay, here you can see it generates the resume based on the Word document, and then I can print it. Okay, that's very easy. So, and I can also add a photo picture to show a very professional resume. Thanks all. Bye.